Hi there, folks. Yeah, we've got a bit of snow here now. It's nice to come out into the woods, see the different seasons, or anywhere in nature. It helps me to think, and it helps me to think in alignment with nature a little bit, because nature is everything that's growing. And it has its laws, and those laws are like laws of physics, you know, they work because they work that way. And there's a lot of mysteries, in nature. We face the unknown to a degree. And then there's the other world, man's world, the world of roads and houses and cars. Things built from thoughts, ideas expressed in physical form. Machines to save us time and energy. Machines that we can operate to build even bigger machines and bigger works of art. So the physical body, man's physical body, can only do so much. Man can only run so fast. Man can only jump so high. Hold the breath for so long. See so far. Hear so much. But with the mind, we can build machines to extend our vision, to make us move through the air and fly, or go underwater, or into space. So the realm of the mind and what the mind can produce is far bigger than what the human body can produce. So this mental realm, the realm of the mind, although it's still a part of nature, has a threshold level. Our will, our intent. So the intent seems to be like something that's not there. Like a fine line between yin and yang. Yang, maybe. This fine line between positive and negative, between push and pull, between breathing in and breathing out. Intent. To garden the nature, to take the trees and make them into wood, to take the rocks and turn them into houses. Man's intent is this threshold of where nature becomes a product of the mind. So we, the man's mind, is a realm where we create and perceive this earth and of all the creations on it, living and unliving, if that's a word. You see what I mean? There's nature and there's man's realm. Both belong to the universe, but we are the threshold between our inside and our outside. So when we ask, where is God?